Hey everybody, welcome along to Type R Tweaks again. Today we're going to be looking at doing some bumper paintwork repair. A little bit similar to last time. We've got a series of stone chips along the bottom part of the bumper that's just starting to become really obvious now and kind of catches your eye when you look at it. So I'm really looking just to kind of smooth that off, put a layer of paint on that just so that it doesn't really attract the eye. This is by no means a professional paint job. It's literally just a bit of a touch up, a bit of a spray just to kind of take your eye away from it. So I'm just going to walk you through a bit of the process I'm going to do so that it takes it from this to this. So let's get after it. So I'm going to start here. I'm just going to wet and dry it initially just to see if I can get it smooth. I'm going to use some 800 grit wet and dry. Make sure I've got some soapy water, and then just give it a kind of sand down. And I just want to make sure that, I don't know if you can hear that. It's quite rough. So see if this is good enough to get that smoothed off, and we'll take it from there. So during the sanding, I kind of got to a kind of dark grey, what looked like a primer, and then as I was kind of sanding down to get the surface smooth, I've kind of went back to a silver again. So I don't know if this has been kind of resprayed in the past with kind of primer and then a top coat. So I'm going to attempt just to put some silver on it rather than putting primer on, and I'll see if that's going to work. So I've kind of masked the area off I want to do. I'm going to give it a spray and see how it goes. And that's it, finished. So we ended up doing 3 coats of paint and 2 coats of clear lacquer. Really happy with it for what I wanted to do. It was really just to cover it up and take away the look of those stone chips and marks that were on the bumper, and I think we managed to do that. So just as a reminder, here's what it looked like before. And here's the finished article. I'm sure you'll agree, it's done exactly what I wanted it to do, just to take away the kind of take your eye off that area. There's plenty of other areas to look at the car. So yeah, it's done what I wanted it to do. Quite a short video, but thought it was just one that's worth sharing with everybody if you wanted to do the same to your car. So we've got a few videos coming up. This one was a bit of a short one, but we've got a few videos coming up of things that we're going to be doing to the car. So if you've not subscribed already, hit that subscription button and hit the notification bell so you're notified when that video is released. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Catch you all later.